In this video, I'm going to show you how to update all drivers on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so updating all your drivers on Windows 11 can fix bugs, improve your performance, and ensure hardware compatibility. So now, the best way to do this is to use the Windows Update tool. So to get there, we need to click on the search, type in settings. Now, once we're inside settings, on the left-hand side, we've got a whole bunch of tabs. Now we want to go in and click on the last one that says Window Update. Now to the right, we want to go in and click on Check for Updates. Now if there are any updates, we want to go ahead and click on where it just said before, download and install, and then just let that run its course, and it's probably going to restart your PC for those changes to take effect. Now the next thing what we can do is use Device Manager. So this is a manual control. So click on the search, type in Device Manager. And now once this opens up, we want to go ahead and expand a category. So for example, if I want to update my display adapters, I want to expand that. And then I want to expand my graphics card. So I've got NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060. So basically right click it and click on update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Now if there are any updates, it's going to say here, would you like to install the update or something along those lines? Go ahead and click yes, and then continue with the prompts. Also, I can go ahead and update my network adapter driver, so I can go ahead and update that too. So just go through this list and see what drivers you can update. So yeah, that's the manual way of doing it as well.